beautiful out. Can you believe this is January? 7 degrees out right now. So, not gonna be able to do much because I don't feel like moving Mr. Stove to get the van out. But we will open the door, get some light in here, and talk about some future projects here. Everything's a freaking project, eh? Everything. Got that end cap, you seen that for Christmas there in the unboxing of the Bus Depot stuff. Got a new end cap for the other side as well, just because I want them to match. That's interesting though. I don't know if you guys can see all that dark. It's definitely coming from the exhaust. It's the diesel, it's everywhere. It's like a film that's everywhere, everywhere. That and, well, dust, but it's dirtier there than the rest of the van, that's for sure. So, yeah, give me a second. Robert made some room. He moved the fork truck over for me. That way I can get in and out to make the videos. I think I'm going to fire it up. Put the engine cover on and let her idle for a bit. The door open. See, my glow plug relay stays on way too long. That freaking, I love it. I love it. All right, time to do